everyone. So how's everybody? So we are talking about today. I would like to talk about racism and how did I prepare my kids to be bullied and just to accept about racism. So I have a girls. They're twins. So they're in school right now. So when we are in the Philippines, they were only turning 2 years old, and somebody mentioned it to me that if I am not scared about if they were gonna get bullied in school because of their colors. So first, it did not even came up my mind about that. But when I heard that, of course, I am worried. I don't want my girls to be like mentally hurt or like something like that. So just I just pray, and I said if that's happened, I want to make sure that they are mentally prepared. So I did pray a lot. So for me now, when you go to one time, they were in a church, they were talking about we are all family. So when you have God in your life, you are all belong. Like we are just one family. So what is that mix that doesn't make sense when you are treating somebody's um if you're not fair to everyone because of their color. For me, it's just a mentally problem that that person, if whoever bullied you because you have the different color, is they just have a mentally ill. Because here in America, I did not see a lot of bullying people, like, especially if they have a good family background, if they are nice people, if they have a good status of the way they live, like they have a good family background. I didn't really see for them like bullying people because of their color. So for me, it's just mentally problem too that people bullied. So but of course, I always worried about it. Of course, I did pray. So and then that's why I when that things happen, when my kids is they were able to, when they can already know that they're being bullied because of their color. That's how I will respond to them, that it's not you are not the problem, that's their problem, and you just have to pray for them because they are not mentally well. So that's what I'm gonna tell my girls, that they are not like, we just have to pray for them. So the question is, did I experience that already at this time of their age? Yes, I did. Yes, I did. So one time, when they were only 3 years old, my girl, she was very friendly for the dog. So of course, when she saw a dog, she's very friendly, but she never touched the dog, or she just kind of like, talking to the dog far, because she knows that she cannot be closer to the dog. And then this person was just like a couple. She was just, I don't know, she was just trying to be like, my girl was just trying to be friendly to the dog, and I just don't know what's wrong with that woman. She was just like being like so rude looking, like she just don't want to hear about my girl. So of course, as a mother, I feel you know but I feel hurt. But because of I have God, I say to myself, you know what, you have the problem. So I just get my baby and I just hug her and I said it's okay. We're gonna find another. There's a lot of dogs, and so I just like kind of like, it's okay. I explained to my girls that sometimes people don't want to be bothered. So when you see like that they don't want to respond, just try to stay away. So because those people, they don't want to be bothered. So that's it. I just try to explain it to them that it's not, they are not the problem, and they should not be they should not be worried about it, because as long as we have God, we are only one. We belong to every nation. We are all equal. And then another one, this I don't know if it is really like, you know, I would say, I don't know if it's like, she's it's in my girls' school, but she just don't like, I don't know if it's just for my girls or for everybody. So I just feel like, I feel like my girl was happy showing her stuff, and she was just totally ignore my girl, like my girl did not even exist. But did I get hurt? I probably, if I don't know God, I would feel hurt. But I did not. I just feel like, oh, she need help. She is not mentally she's not mentally well, because what's wrong with her? Why she acted like that? So for me to really prepare my girls to this kind of situation, I just have to tell them that not everybody is friendly. So that's it. And we just have to try to avoid those people and just try to be nice to everybody. But if that people, something like that, they're bullying them because of their color, that's not their problem. That's their problem. And they should just have to forgive, because those kind of people, they are not happy inside. So I am very confident that my girls will very strong about what we believe in our home. So because I never talk to my girls about colors, and I never talk like, negative thing about somebody. So I'm pretty sure that they won't get hurt, because we did not talk hatred about anyone. So for them, it's probably just like they just ignore it, like it's not normal for somebody to treat them that way. So there should not be hate, or they should not be upset about it. So I'm very confident that my girls is very strong. So we are all just one family. So that's what I teach to my girls. So okay, everyone, God bless.